Operia na Kumasi Asante Kotoko releases statement on Coach Prosper OGUM. Na the coach is under fire. Na reports be bringing the Musa coach ne sacking the coach ne dismissal. Statement a Kumasi Asante Kotoko release no emunchichi mu no ewa statement no esini pise it is not dismissal. Enye dismissal na yede but statement no so ekoso chire mu se Kumasi Asante Kotoko any coach no aye meeting bi emergency one. Yes, ni nyina wo statement no ma me de brew eofi ampato wa high super 24 TV. Obeka say no pa no me reports be about Coach OGUM management meeting with the IMC almost setting rules be amano no. Ni nyina and statement no up capture but the news is that statement Kotoko de aba bonten no disregard the rubbish be bia about coach no say ye dismiss no eno no de omasi ni pise enye no credit details and more no ekura me ewa ha statement no me beto so ama osisi Kumasi Asante Kotoko isamoto yemfa nkotwa loto but mesro unya subscribe ya wada mandi hia me pa no subscribe statements no ewa ha na gifi bepoto ama na me de ato screen no so eno ne o say Head coach Prosper OGUM NARTEH remains at post contrary to speculations about his imminent dismissal. I was a head coach no or that's so post yensake no to say the enema bonten say yasake no enya no cre. The IMC acknowledged the concerns raised by our charity supporters regarding our current situation. Was say IMC no ejitum concerns and penifo supporters mo dey about our current situation no yehunu yejitum. It must be placed on record that the management is equally not enthused with our results and deem it unacceptable. Was say results no management IMC nso ani nje na unacceptable to us. Was say however the IMC is committed to ensuring that there is a quick turnaround in our current fortunes. Also, IMC ne born home de say there will be turnaround in this current misfortune at Eha Club. In our quest to achieve this, various steps have been taken. Abra ebe achieve we no, ya taking steps baby, including emergency meeting with the coaching staff and not dismissal of the coach. Or say the FCN coach in an emergency meeting, but we therefore urge our fans and all stakeholders to remain calm and continue to support our club in these turbulent times. Or say a brave me supporter also support remain calm, turn around in these turbulent times. Statements we also thank you for your concerns raised as well as your contribution. More concern more contribution yajitum yesum for which the IMC will give it a needed concentration or consideration. Abra MC no ebe consider the muka nyina. In the meantime, we must unite. Also mre we also ye kabum. Now I have absolute trust in our coaches to reclaim the stride with which we ended the first one. Also ye nkambum ni enya gide o coaches num. Send your moye in the first one na Kotoko ko hwan be ye na yenwini na. Yetimi sa be wini 8 game to aso no. Yenya sa gide na yenya sa gide na coaches no ebe ye adwuma no. Ama ye ne atene sa difficult times around utumfo nyankopon emayenti ase na statement no ekaye enti Kotoko supporters asema e wo ho no coach no yesi ye ne na ye emergency meeting but ye nsake no utumfo nyankopon meyenti ase amen.